Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you in an easy step by step how to withdraw your Amazon money in Italy. So if you are in Italy, you don't have a bank account or you want to receive your money through the Amazon gift card. So you want to use the system that I'm about to teach you right here. So this video is for my Italian friends. So to get started, you want to use the Payoneer bank account, digital account here. So if you want to know how to register on this program here, I already made a video about how to register on the Pioneer. To register your account, you sign up and you register your account, then you are ready to go. So here's on this platform here. This platform allow you to withdraw your money anywhere in the world. Okay, so you can use the bank that they provide for you here on this platform here, and you can leverage that bank and withdraw your money from anywhere. You can use it for Amazon, you can use it for your online online stuff, and you can use it to pay, and you can use it to withdraw money from anywhere. So let me quickly log into my account and show you. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money with this platform here. It is called Payoneer. So let's get started. So let me log into my account here, and so here is my dashboard right here. When you sign up and you register your account, and we're going to get your own also like this one right here. So, and by the way, I'm using the app. If you want to get something like this on your own, you may want to use the app so that you get something like this. Exactly. So you download the app on your smartphone or on your tab, and then you log in. To get started, you want to go to bank and cards down here. So when you click bank and cards, this thing is gonna appear right here. So here is where you can withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw your money, here is where you can receive. So all the details that you can use to receive. They also have their card. If you want to use their card, you can just order for their card. So all the recipient banks are here, right there. So we want to receive money from our Amazon money. Yeah. So we want to go to receiving account. So when you click receiving account, this page is going to appear. So these are banks that you can use to withdraw your money from Amazon. So they have banks in Europe zone, they have bank in UK, they have bank in Singapore, they have bank in US. So you can just choose one from these banks here and withdraw your money. I am using the US bank here for my Amazon online stuff. So to see your details, to see the details that you can use. So here is where your details are. Yeah. So if you want to see your details, you can just click. You want to see your bank details that you are going to be using on Amazon. Just click here, and you are going to copy all your details to your Amazon bank account details. So let's go over here, and let me show you where you're going to be pasting it on your Amazon account. So here I am on my Amazon account here. So you want to go up here at your account here, and you are going to click account settings. Yeah. So when you click that, this page is gonna pop up, and you are going to find payment. You are going to set your payment up if it is not set up before. But for now, I've already set up my account, so I'm just going to change the payment method. If you've never set up your account before, then it's going to tell you add payment method. So you are going to add your payment method there. So I've already added my payment method, so I'm just going to change the payment method right there, and so that you see what I'm talking about, how you can add your payment details. So let's go ahead and click change payment method here. So these are my Amazon shops. So I have shop in Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, United States, and so on and so forth. So now let's say, and I'm using the same bank for all of them. So let's say I want to change my bank details or bank account. Yeah. So I'm just gonna click bank account here. So if you want to add a new bank account, you can just click here, right there. So for me, I just want to edit the bank account. If you want to edit it, you can do so here, down here. As you can see, I already have the bank there. So here is all my details there. So here is where you're gonna paste all your details. So you are going to paste your bank location, your bank currency, your bank account holder name, your bank type, checking, account number, you confirm your account number, your bank name, your routine number. So you are going to add this, all this information are situated on the Payoneer on your Payoneer account. So if you click down here, view details, you are going to get all your bank details that you are going to be using on Amazon for Amazon to pay you your money straight. So when you complete all those things there, when you complete all this box here, you fill in all your details here. You're just going to click save and you are ready to go. When you click save, then you are ready to go. I already do that on my own. So I'm just gonna check out, and Amazon will pay you every month straight direct to your bank. So you just and when Amazon pay you to your bank on the Pioneer account, when Amazon pay to your Pioneer account, Pioneer is gonna inform you that Amazon has paid your money to your account. Okay. So you're just gonna come to your Payoneer account and withdraw your money from there. As you can see here, I have money out. So these are money that I've withdrawn on the Pioneer on Amazon account there. So that's how you withdraw your money in Italy if you don't have bank account. You don't have any bank account and you don't want to withdraw your money from you don't want to get your money through their cards. So you don't want to use their card to withdraw your money. Then you want to use the Pioneer. So Pioneer will give you the possibility to receive money, to withdraw money and to receive money. So that's how you do it. If you want to know how to sign up to Payoneer account, I made a video. Watch my video down below, and you're ready to go. If you have any question, please drop them down below. Let me know all your questions down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.